Hello, Reef DVM's coming at you with kind of a fixer-upper. Decided that the farm needed a skid steer back on the place. Actually, my wife did. So went out and found a used skid steer, about 13 years old. That was used for Parks and Recreation Department in a city that wasn't too far from here. Our implement dealer in town helped us get this. It's a John Deere 250, and as you can see, a little wear and tear. There's no weather stripping on the door, and a little bit of rust on the pistons, and the tires are more the street tires, and they're harder rubber, but they're fairly worn. The stickers, the decals, the door's banged up a little in the back. It needs a new warning sign, but nothing that can't be fixed. So we decided to put a little TLC into this 2,000-hour beast, and as you can see, with a little bit of paint, boy, she sure cleans up nice. So we went and found ourselves some used tires that got a little bit more grip on them and doing well, and replaced the bulbs on top and got the little flasher light working and the backup alarm going. Got the black on the cab all painted up. Got the construction orange or yellow, whatever you want to call that, all degreased and then sanded down and then repainted it all. Got a new warning sign on back. Got the oil out of it, the hydraulic and engine, and put all new back in. Made sure the hoses weren't leaking. Got the guards back on it. Weather stripping back on the door. A new seat inside, because boy, that thing was just cut up to pieces. Got a radio back in it, which I'll show you how to do that in a future video here. And boy, just kind of turned it into something nice that hopefully it'll last a long time on the farm. We've got the added weights on this puppy, so she almost lifts about a ton, 2,000 pounds. Went down to Minnesota Equipment there in Isani, Minnesota, and picked out some decals that were for that model year. Because again, this is the 250, built in 2000, 2001 era, somewhere in there. It's got the heater inside, and it's got a fire extinguisher on it from the Parks Department, which is fine. So we just actually added a new fire extinguisher to it because the other one wasn't any good. And like I say, you got the radio in it now. We got the seat. This really should work well for the farm, folks. This machine, I know it's a little older, and I know this series, when it first came out, had a few little electrical glitches and stuff in it, but after 13 years, running in the Parks Department, pretty solid, and now with new paint and decals and looking good, probably work great for us around here on the farm. So again, a quick little update on a little machine that we fixed up here. We're real pleased with it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and we'll continue to put out good videos like this on the farm. Thanks. Bye.